everyone, how are you today, and welcome to Let's Cook It. Today another episode of a quick bite to make, and in today's episode we're going to make a world famous Greek dip called tzatziki. Tzatziki, it's a good dip for any vegetable, bread or souvlaki, and the baked potatoes as well. So we have here Greek yogurt, and make sure it's a Greek yogurt, not just regular, and black pepper, salt, cucumber, fresh garlic, fresh dill, dried oregano, vinegar, and of course olive oil. So let me start here with the Greek yogurt first. In the medium bowl, empty all the yogurt in. A regular plate or a small bowl, you can use the kitchen towel. And with the cheese grater, we're gonna grate the cucumber, and I'm only using half here because the amount of the yogurt I'm making. Now I'm using an English cucumber, which is the seed is very tiny, small, so you don't have to clean it from inside. Here we go. You fold the towel and you squeeze, and look at the juice coming out. Definitely we don't need those in the dip because it's gonna be runny. Cucumber goes on top of the yogurt. Next we're gonna mince the garlic, salt, pepper. Let's crush the garlic. Nice, look at that. See, it's a minced garlic. Now I'm gonna add the vinegar, olive oil, mix it very well, and ready to go with the cucumber and the yogurt. A quick fine chop for the dill. Voila, dill goes in. The oregano. We gotta mix it very well so everything will combine together. Look at that beautiful tzatziki. And now ready to be served. As you can see, my platter ready to go. One olive in the middle, little olive oil around. Voila! Tzatziki dip for you guys to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.